Today, I'm just following up on a video I did 56 days ago. I was actually outside doing an experiment with the truck. That looks like it takes a torque bit. And I'm gonna slide this sucker out a little bit. And don't! So I have to change my whole strategy about what I'm doing this for. This whole mud flap thing, I thought I could just pull it out and just kind of give it a nice little extension to match the offset of my tires. And it didn't work that way. Didn't work out as a plan. And I eventually just removing the entire mud flap. I do run a 35s 22 by 12 wide with a negative 44 offset, and I'm sitting on a 6-inch lift. We'll try it and see. So I didn't have to do any trim, but I also like the look of just removing this mud guard. So I said, hey, what the heck? I can go ahead and kill two birds with one stone, and let's go ahead and just run this experiment and see how it works. So I went 56 days without washing the truck. That came out of nowhere random, but I did not wash the truck, and these are the results. I have some trickle water on this side, but barely any on that side. You can see the splash pattern here. Ava. As you can see in some of these videos here, when it gets really dry, or on a dry day, you can really see how much splash affect both sides of the vehicle. So the mud guard is off on the passenger side. The mud guard is on the driver's side. So basically, it looks like mud guard in my situation, it doesn't even matter. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it off on the driver's side too, because it's really there for nothing. I've been through many types of terrain, except I haven't really done any off-roading, but I've been through a lot of mud, a lot of dirt, grime. I haven't had anything banging up, any rocks, anything banging up the side of the truck. So in my case, my driving habits, it looks like this was the perfect opportunity for me to go ahead and move the mud guards and not have to worry about any trim, not have to worry about any cutting. And I like the look anyway. So hopefully this vehicle helps somebody out. And, you know, you guys enjoyed it. But it was a little experiment for me, and I just figured I should go ahead and follow up on that video and get that out to you guys. So we'll see what comes about next. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.